We had an excellent weekend with family. It worked out great. They had in super late Saturday night, which was a little bit rough, but overall fantastic. We did Thanksgiving dinner with them, so that was really good. We took them to some of those places they'd already been. We went to the UFO National UFO Museum and the UFO spacewalks, the things that there's already videos of, as well as the um, animal refuge, things like that. We did all that on Sunday. Monday I had to work still, but my wife went with them, and they went to back to the um, historical site, and they did the zoo, lots of good stuff, and they did UFO McDonald's. So lots of lots of great stuff. I hope they had a good time. We had a good time. We're super thankful that it worked out.